An example calculation using the modified accelerated cost recovery system, depreciation system. It uses both the general depreciation system and the alternative depreciation system. In this video, we'll show both of them. This is an example. As you can see, a drilling asset is used for petroleum production. It has the cost basis, asset life, and then we're going to see this calculation. So to kind of summarize, this is the 5 steps we need to follow to correctly calculate the depreciation schedules using that IRS system. We need to know the cost basis. We know that. Let's say the property was placed in service already. We know that as well. And then we have to know the property class and recovery period, and then MACRS method and the correct table use. Let's find the property class and recovery period. So we're going to use this IRS table, which we have already uploaded in the openeducator.com. So you can find that. Now we'll simply search the drill or drilling. If you see that there is this different types of drilling, it is specifically used for petroleum production. So then it would be asset class 13.2, and it has a ZDS recovery period 7 years. That's the ZDS recovery period, and ADS recovery period 14 years. Next thing what we have to do is we have to find the table where we have those values, the depreciation percentage that we can claim for each year for that 7 years depreciation ZDS period and 14 years ADS period. So we got to go back all the way here. Here, as you can see, there is this table 8 where we can find the GDS and ADS life. And if it's nothing specific, we can use the half year convention. So we can simply scroll down. We can in fact find the ZDS schedule from this table too, table A1. It has a 7 year life, so this would be the depreciation schedule. We're going to go to table 8, where we can find that it's a 14 year life, so that's the depreciation schedule right here under column 14. I have extracted all this value in the Excel right here. So here is the GDS percentage of amount you can claim each year, and it's 7 year life. In half year convention, first year you get 50%, and the last year you get the rest 50%. And the ADS is simply straight line method, but in first year I simply calculated here, did not copy that from there, but you can copy it from there too. Now the asset cost basis was $80,000, so you can simply type here GDS ADS depreciation. You can simply multiply this percentage times this guy, and we're gonna freeze that, then copy all the way down. So that is basically depreciation for according to ADS system, and this is the GDS system and ADS system. And we can simply, I don't want too many of these decimal points. You're gonna say currency, no decimal point, something like this. So if you add these two columns, it should sum up to $80,000 if you do it correctly, because all those percentages, this IRS system uses no salvage value. So that's basically, so as you can see, this one 80,000, this one 80,000. So this is how you calculate the depreciation using the ZDS and ADS system IRS. And if it doesn't say anything, generally you can use the half year convention. You can use anything if it doesn't say anything, but generally it is the half year convention that people mean when they don't say anything.